Hey children, here are 10 signs you have a healthy body. And I'm not talking about abs or muscles. I'm talking about the stuff your body does quietly every single day that proves it's working exactly the way God designed it. Let's get into it. But first, if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Hit that button right now and turn on notifications because I drop health facts like this every week and you don't want to miss them. All right, let's go. Number 1. Your wounds heal fast without drama. You cut your finger chopping vegetables, you scrape your knee falling off your bike, and within a few days, it's already healing. No infection, no weird swelling, just clean, efficient tissue repair. Here's what that means. Your immune system is on point. Your body is producing white blood cells, platelets, and growth factors exactly when it needs them. Your circulation is strong enough to deliver nutrients to the injury site. Most people don't realize this, but slow healing wounds are one of the first warning signs of diabetes, poor circulation, or a weakened immune system. If your body fixes itself fast, you're winning. Number 2. You wake up naturally before your alarm goes off. Not every day, but most days, your eyes open a few minutes before that alarm screams in your ear. And when you wake up, you don't feel like a corpse dragged out of a grave. This means your circadian rhythm, your body's internal clock, is locked in. Your cortisol levels spike at the right time in the morning to wake you up naturally. Your sleep cycles are finishing right when they're supposed to. If you're hitting snooze 5 times and crawling out of bed like a zombie, your sleep quality is broken. But if you wake up feeling human, your body's running on schedule. Number 3. Your urine is light yellow, not dark or weird colored. I know, gross topic, but real talk, your pee color tells you everything about your hydration and kidney function. Light yellow or pale straw color? Perfect. You're hydrated. Your kidneys are filtering waste properly. Your body has enough water to flush out toxins. Dark yellow or orange? You're dehydrated. Brown or red? That's a doctor visit waiting to happen. Your kidneys filter about 200 quarts of blood every single day. If your pee looks healthy, your kidneys are doing their job flawlessly. Number 4, you rarely get sick, and when you do, you recover fast. Everyone around you is coughing, sneezing, and calling in sick. But you're fine. Maybe you get a slight sniffle, but it's gone in 2 days. This isn't luck. This is your immune system flexing. Recent studies in 2026 confirmed that people with strong immune systems don't avoid germs, they just handle them faster and more efficiently. Your body produces the right antibodies, fights off infections before they take hold, and clears viruses out of your system like a well-trained army. If you're the person who never catches what's going around, your immune system is elite tier. Number 5. Your energy stays steady throughout the day without crashing. You eat breakfast. You don't crash at 10 a.m. You eat lunch. You don't need a nap at 2 p.m. Your energy level stays stable from morning to night. This means your blood sugar regulation is on point. Your body is efficiently converting food into energy without spiking and crashing your insulin. Most people live on a blood sugar roller coaster, high energy after meals, then crashing hard an hour later. If your energy feels smooth and consistent, your metabolism is working like a well-oiled machine. Number 6. You poop once a day, every day, with zero struggle. Let's be real. If you're going to the bathroom once a day and it's smooth, quick, and painless, that's a major sign of health. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria that control your digestion, mood, immune system, and even brain function. When your gut is healthy, everything flows smoothly. No constipation, no diarrhea, no bloating or cramps. Just regular, predictable, easy digestion. Gut health equals brain health equals full body health. If you're regular, your entire system is balanced. Number 7. Your nails and hair grow fast and strong. You clip your nails one week and they're already back the next week. Your hair grows like it's on a mission. This isn't just cosmetic, it's a biological signal. Fast-growing nails and hair mean your body is getting enough protein, vitamins, and minerals to build keratin, the structural protein that makes up your nails and hair. If your body has enough resources to grow non-essential tissues like hair and nails, that means all your vital organs, heart, Brain, liver, kidneys are being fed first and thriving. Number 8. You feel calm most of the time, even when life gets chaotic. Life throws stress at you. Deadlines, drama, bills, traffic, but your body doesn't spiral into panic mode 24/7. Your heart isn't constantly racing, your hands aren't shaking, you're not overwhelmed by anxiety every single day. This means your nervous system knows how to regulate itself. You're not stuck in fight or flight mode. Your parasympathetic nervous system, the part that calms you down, is working properly. In 2026, with all the chaos in the world, having a calm, regulated nervous system might be the strongest health signal of all. Number 9. You can climb stairs without feeling like you're about to collapse. You walk up a flight of stairs, your heart rate goes up a little, but you're not gasping for air. Your legs don't feel like jelly. You recover in seconds. That's cardiovascular fitness. Your heart pumps blood efficiently. Your lungs deliver oxygen to your muscles without panicking. Your muscles have enough endurance to handle basic physical tasks. Most people's first warning sign of poor health is struggling with stairs. If you can handle them easily, your heart and lungs are doing great. Number 10. Your skin stays clear without needing 10 products. You wash your face with basic soap, maybe some moisturizer, and your skin? It's fine. No constant breakouts, no oil slicks, no weird rashes. Clear skin isn't just about looks, it's a mirror for what's happening inside your body. Hormones balanced, inflammation low, gut health strong, hydration on point. When your skin is healthy without needing a pharmacy of products, it means your internal systems, hormones, digestion, immune function, are all working in harmony. If you have most of these signs, your body is functioning exactly the way it's supposed to. If you don't panic. Start taking care of yourself. Eat real food, sleep enough, move your body, drink water. Your body is a temple. Treat it right. If this video helped you, subscribe and share it with someone who needs to hear this. See you in the next one.